Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we have something truly remarkable to share with you: the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Let me tell you right off the bat, folks, this is hands down the best eyeglasses cleaner available in the market. Now, you might be wondering, what sets this cleaning kit apart from the rest? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, the Koala Cleaner is obsessively engineered with a best-in-class formula that ensures crystal clear vision every time. Say goodbye to streaks, dirt, grime, and oils that cloud your lenses. This cleaner wipes them away effortlessly, leaving your eyeglasses, sunglasses, camera lenses, and screens ridiculously clean and clear. But wait, there's more. The cleaning power of this kit doesn't stop there. Crafted from super premium, ultra-dense Japanese microfiber, the included cloth easily does the heavy lifting, ensuring spotless and scratch-free lenses. And here's the kicker: it's washable and reusable, so you get long-lasting, consistently safe performance. This product is proudly made in the USA, with absolutely no compromises on quality. The lens cleaning formula is manufactured with best-in-class ingredients, including lab-grade Type 2 DH2O, ensuring maximum clarity and integrity for your lenses. Now, let's talk about safety. The Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit is gentle and safe for all lenses. It features an ultra-pure solution that's free from alcohol, toxic chemicals, VOCs, and fragrances. So whether you have multi-coated lenses or advanced coatings, this cleaner is highly effective and won't compromise the integrity of your lenses. Folks, when you choose Koala, you're not just buying a product. You're joining a thriving community of millions who rely on us for their precision lens and device care needs. We believe in integrity and ensuring that your lenses and screens deserve nothing but the best. And there you have it, folks, the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit, the ultimate solution for crystal clear vision. Don't settle for anything less than perfection when it comes to your lenses. Get your hands on the Koala Cleaner today and see the world with unparalleled clarity. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.